Hello everyone, I am Diksha Parte, the student of JNKVV College of Agriculture Rewa. I am here to present my presentation on topic seed certification under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Seed certification. Seed certification is a scientific and systematically designed process to secure, maintain, multiply and make available to farmer seed superior crop plant varieties. Why we need genetically identify a variety, high degree of physical purity, high standard of germinability, freedom from all designated seed-borne disease like loose mud, kernel bun, wheat, and other crop seed. These are the reasons why we need seed certification. National Seed Corporation. National Seed Corporation started in 1963 and the Seed Act came in force in 1966. The Seed Act provides the required impetus for establishment of official seed certification agency by the state. Maharashtra was the first state to establish an official seed certification agency. During 1970 as a part of Department of Agriculture, it is not independent agency. Karnataka was the first state to establish seed certification agency as an autonomous body during 1974. It is an independent agency. At present, total 24 state seed certification agency. Seed certification agency. Certification shall be conducted by the certification agency notified under Section 8 of Seed Act 1966. Objective of Seed Certification Agency: the systematic increase of superior variety, the identification of new variety and their rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted name, provision for continuous supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. Process of seed certification: receipt and review of application, verification of seed source, field inspection, post harvest supervision of seed crop, seed sampling and testing, grant of certification, seed treatment, bagging and tagging. These are the processes taken in seed certification. Minimum seed certification standard. In 1971, for 56 crop, minimum seed certification standard developed by National Seed Corporation, later on adopted by Central Seed Committee. In 1988, for 110 crop. The minimum seed certification standard can be broadly grouped into two groups: general seed certification standard and specified crop standard. Seed standard: the minimum percentage of pure seed and maximum permissible limit of inert matter. Other crop seed have been prescribed. The minimum permissible limit for objectionable weed seed infected by seed-borne disease have prescribed it to ensure good seed health. Thank you.